Thanks, Ollie.
Thanks, Ollie. Oh,
Thanks, Lily. Thanks, Julie.
a smile on that little
Thanks,
girl.
Derek.
Hey.
Thanks, Rex. Johnny, no thanks to you.
Thank you, Ollie.
She's so sweet.
I got it, buddy.
Here's one more, buddy.
Do you think it's gonna work?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Water that pissed out of there? Did you?
Yeah,
did you
there's
guys
a lot. What you doing? Hey, what you doing? What you doing?
The lily bear. Lily pad.
Oh, hey,
Hey,
give me 5, buddy.
can I have 5?
Oh, yeah.
Look at the sides. Look at what the hell's happened to that guy's hands. Oh, oh yeah. So Johnny's underwear say cool. But we saw a guy today on a busy road,
Underwear on.
and he was riding a bicycle, and his bum cheeks were hanging out,
No underwear.
and me and Derek were like, "Whoa," we're all barfing. We couldn't unsee it. Oh my God, an hour of disgusting. Why do people do things like that?
Is Derek, how about listen to this engine? Tell me what you think.
All right, let me have a listen. We're gonna listen to.
You noticed it not too long ago, right?
Yeah,
Then he's gonna start.
I
but
started
that might be from that maybe.
I started it up the other day,
Yeah.
yesterday to show Colin, our friend's Colin, and he couldn't hear anything. He's like, if you didn't say anything, I wouldn't have thought anything.
Oh.
But it seems to get louder when you drive it. For a while.
Okay, what the doctor said, right? Okay, here we go. Start up. There. Little clicking noises. Almost sounds like a tappet.
Almost sounds like a
Jesus, you freaking scaring old guy. That's a big motor, John. Big truck, big motor. Yeah, right, all? Here, give me the, yeah. Big motor, big truck. Yeah. Oh, he's the cutest thing ever. You're a pretty tough little cookie, aren't you?
Oh,
Yeah.
and look at all the water's dripping out now.
Is that good?
Yeah. They want it to be dripping out of there and not in my truck.
Right. Let's see. Oh, yeah, right. Right. Oh, nicely
Look how
done
wet,
there.
look how much water came out.
Nicely done, son.
That's what I do over here when I leave, and it's at my place when I get back to Elmer.
Derek got really tall. He used to be 5'7". Now he's 8 foot 3.
What happened? Oh, I'm on the ladder.
Oh,
Okay, well let's see if that works, and if it doesn't, then I'll just take that thing off again and puddle. Get sideways.
Derek, quick, get over here.
All right.
Look at Mama.
We got the gang back.
Gang's
Woo!
back. Look how-
Gang's back, and with an extra gang member.
We're gonna get Rex in here too.
No.
Yeah.
Extra gang. Okay, let's get down there.
There he is.
Get in there, Rex.
Come here, you little monkey. Jeez. Arr, 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 arr. What is Rex looking at? Oh, Jesus.
Text Carol, tell her it's junk house.
I did. She texted actually before. Junk house, right? Junk house. It's just a matter of time before we can shine. Do-do-do-do-do-do. We're having tea. Me and Derek having tea. And then we got some organizing in the garage, moving some shit around. And then we're going to take the front end off the K10 and fix that. What do you call that thing again? Radiator support. That's the ticket. Used to be a pilot there.
Go ahead and finish it.
Something about your dad cut wood and used to pilot. It's classic. Classic. Beautiful day.
Awesome.
And we're getting ready to
Go have some fun.
do some shit. How beautiful is this day, Derek?
Gorgeous. Dude.
And we made some room. Made some room for the big truck. Now this is gonna be interesting. Canopy on this truck. That truck gets in, put it, anyway, right, Derek?
That's right.
Okay, here we go. That's Zeppelin. Well, how about that for a load? You ever seen a canopy on a truck look like that? Borrowed Harold's spot. Harold the lumberjack. You don't want to piss him off. Guy's a little grizzly bear. Yeah, uncover the beauty. Well, that was some driving. Hey, Derek? Holy man, we got her in there. And she was loud and proud. Baby's back in the safe spot, in the safe zone. Oh, what a stink, Derek. Let's open up the windies.
Yeah, she's running a little rich.
Right?
Right.
I think it's just hasn't been run for such a long time. Whew. It's just a matter of time. Derek's favorite song. Derek has figured it out as usual. We're touching right there and right there, right, Derek?
Yeah.
And we got this contraption. As Derek thinks outside the box, outside the kitty, right there, thinking outside the kitty.
That's it.
And we got some furry moments.
So let's tap that. Cut it.
Roger Dodger. Keep it PG.
And let's put the other side on there.
Look at that. Holy moly, Derek. We've got the answer. And we're a little bit wide on this side. We're gonna fix it. You are the fairest gold. Okay, Derek,
So let's get a couple bolts in here.
that grill, that's the first time that grill has been on this truck. And it fits now because the fenders are tightened in. Well done, laddie. Talk to me, feel free.
And that screw there is what adjusts your headlights
Right, for the aiming.
for aiming.
We have a grill on. It's an old grill. It's got a couple little dings and mishaps because she was around.
But she's still good.
She's still good. And we're on there.
Solid.
Solid like rock. Plug those lights in.
Solid like 70 Chevy. Yeah.
Solid like 70 Chevy. Wowzers. That was a bit of a battle, hey Derek, especially when I hit my thumb. Do you remember when I hit my thumb?
No, can you do it again?
I'm not gonna do it again. No, is that I've had an emotional day. Hey Derek, we got no sleep last night because they were kicking ass on our street out front, and I had to go and tune them in at 12:30. They got an earful, a Milner earful, which is not good. Nobody ever wants that. Beautiful truck. And there is a bumper going on. Bumper going on, right, Derek? Heavy duty, this sucker weighs more than Derek. Right, Derek?
Yeah.